Hi, this is Master Ken. I want to congratulate to you that you're going to consider attending this amazing Microsoft Excel time-saving workshop. And I'm the lead trainer, Master Ken Lau. So, what can you expect from this training? My students achieve this result, saving 3,314 annually, 7,363 minutes time saving. And not only that, one of the students is able to use that knowledge, the newly acquired, to help their team to save 10 hours per week. And she in turn teach the other three staff. And that is a grouping of 30 hours combining their strength. Thank you. And I want to thank Malaysian Institute of Accountants, MIA, to appoint me as the lead trainer for this upcoming training on the 12th of April 2022. So what you're going to learn is according to the program outline. So altogether it's divided into 4 sessions. And take a look at that. Session 1, you learn advanced pivot table. Session 2, advanced Excel function. Session 3, Power Query. And you need to have Excel 2013 version onwards, and make sure you install your Power Query. And case studies on session 4. So how do you consolidate costing data faster, such as commission data? So I will talk about it. So how does it look like, right, when you go to learn this session 1? So session 1, you learn this pivot table, and you learn about slices and a lot more things. Session 2, it will base on this data, that's P&L data, and with that we will learn slowly go into offset, count if, sum if VLOOKUP, and so on, as you can see here. And you go to the third one would be this Power Query. So Power Query will be something like that. You have payroll data, you put it into the same folders, and then you can actually consolidate and combine it. Right? You have the problems like it's a month end, and you want to put all these, you want to combine, consolidate all in a shorter time. How to do that? It's near to month end. You will discover that in the case study as well as Power Query. So we guide you step by step. You go into it. So thank you, Malaysia Boleh. And I am also the appointed trainer for Bank Negara Malaysia in the past. 4 consecutive trainings is given, and in the past 15 years I have trained over 400 corporates. So you are in good hands. I would say that. Thank you. I see you soon in the upcoming Microsoft Excel time saving workshop organized by MIA. See you there. Oh, God bless you. God bless Asia. And don't forget to get a 2 monitor screen, so you can. So when you learn online, you need to have 2 monitor screen. So one is laptop, the other is the computer screen. Yeah. Thanks for watching.